the suburbs of Famagusta, on a gently elevated hill overlooking the huge metropolis of Salamis, there is a church dedicated to Saint Barnabas, the patron saint of Cyprus. Over the years, Cyprus has had different rulers with different religious beliefs, from Muslims to Christians and pagans. Saint Barnabas was a Jew and came from Salamis, NY. He was appointed Archbishop of Lamina, and when he returned from the Holy Land to Cyprus in AD 45, he became a preacher who offers teachings about Jesus Christ. During the second visitation of the island in AD 75, Barnabas was arrested and a crowd of Syrians stoned him to death and threw his corpse into the sea. The tomb of Saint Barnabas lay undiscovered for more than 400 years until the 5th century AD. The tomb was discovered around 480 AD by the Cypriot Archbishop Antonius after he had a dream in which the place she saw a long-lost tomb. Behind the church is a small mausoleum. A chapel from the 19th century was built over the site of the tomb.